Hello, dear children. Welcome you all to the last module from the chapter Light. In this module, we'll be mainly discussing two topics. One is care of the eyes and the most popular resource for visually challenged people, that is the Braille system.
Care of eyes. Eyes are the most important sense organ in our body. You should take proper care of your eyes. You should have a regular checkup of your eyes. If you feel even a minor problem with the eyes, you should consult a doctor. In case of sight problem, you should use spectacles as per doctor's suggestion. Bright light such as light from sun, a laser torch, can cause injury to the eye retina. Too little light causes eye strain, which leads to headache. If dust particles go into your eyes, never rub your eyes. Instead, wash your eyes with clean water. If you still have problem, then you must go to doctor. Do you know that a normal eye can read at a distance of about 25 centimeters clearly without straining the eyes? This distance is called normal distance for vision. You should also read at normal distance of vision. That means you should not read your book keeping it too close or too far. You should take a balanced diet. A balanced diet is one which contain all essential nutrients for our body in right quantity. If food does not have required nutrients, then it may also affect eyes. More importantly, lack of vitamin A in food causes many eye troubles. Of most severe of them is night blindness. Few sources of vitamin A are carrots, vegetables, broccoli, and cod liver oil. Along with these, eggs, milk, curd, cheese, and fruits like papaya and mango are also rich in vitamin A. I hope you have understood this topic well. Thanks for watching.
Children, we all know that animals have eyes shaped in different ways. For example, eyes of a crab. Even though it's quite small, it enables the crab to look all around. A crab can sense even if the enemy approaches from behind. In the case of a chameleon, it can focus onto an object and it can zoom with the help of its eyes. Butterfly, take the case of butterflies, they have large eyes that seem to be made up of thousands of little eyes. Night birds, for example owl, since they have larger number of rods than cones, as we discussed in our previous modules, they can see well at night. Louis Braille, a visually challenged person, developed a system for visually challenged people and published it in 1821. And it is called the Braille system. This system has 63 dot patterns or characters. Each character represents a letter, a combination of letters, a common word, or a grammatical sign. These characters or patterns are formed by using 6 dots, which are arranged in cells of 2 vertical rows of 3 dots each. The patterns, which embossed on Braille sheets, help visually challenged persons to recognize words by touching. To make them easier to touch, the dots are raised slightly. Visually challenged people learn the Braille system by beginning with letters, then special characters and letters combination. Methods depend upon recognition by touching. Each character has to be memorized. Braille text can be produced by hand or by machine. Typewriter-like devices and printing machines have now been developed. So let us understand more about Braille system through the video.
The picture that you see on your screen is of a person named Louis Braille. At the age of 3, he had injured his eyes, leaving him completely blind. Yes, he sadly lost his sense of vision. Being a bright and inquisitive child, he continued his education and invented an interesting system which is today known as the Braille system. This is the system for visually handicapped people as it helps them to read and write. Let us study more about the system. This basic structure of the system starts with the Braille cell. As you can see, it's a cell with 6 dots arranged in 3 rows and 2 columns. These cells are named as 1, 2, 3 from top to bottom on the left and 4, 5, 6 from top to bottom on the right. Now on a piece of paper, some or all of these dots are slightly raised about their position. This is for the visually handicapped people to feel these dots using their sense of touch. So this was just one Braille cell. There are many on the piece of paper that can be used to form long sentences and numbers. The dot height, cell size and cell spacing are uniform throughout. Coming back to the single cell, how many patterns do you think can be formed from one single cell? This can be one pattern, this can be another, this is one more and so on. How many patterns do you think can be formed? There are a total of 63 dot patterns that can be formed. If we assume no dots raised to be one pattern, then 64 patterns can be formed. Each dot pattern can represent letters, combination of letters, a full word or some symbol. Here is the list of the combination of dots representing the things mentioned above. For example, the letter A is represented by this cell. Only the first dot is raised in this case. Similarly, the letter J is represented by this with these 3 dots raised. The dots 2, 4 and 5 are raised. So this is the set of patterns we have for the English alphabet. 26 such patterns. But now I want you to observe something interesting. Look at the pattern for the digit 1 and the letter A. Aren't they the same? How does the visually handicapped person know whether it's an A or 1? For that, look at this pattern which says number follows. When we have this pattern in front of a pattern, it tells us that a number follows. So this here tells us that we're talking about the digit 1 and not the letter A. Similarly, this would be the digit 2 and so on. Why do we need to have these preceding patterns? Why can't we just have different patterns for numbers? That's because we have limited patterns. Only 64 if you remember. So just with this one pattern of number follows, we saved 10 more patterns for the digits 0 to 9. We also have patterns for punctuations and signs. You can see that this cell represents the question mark sign, whereas this cell represents plus sign. Braille system is the most popular system for the visually challenged people used across the world. Braille text can be produced by hand, or nowadays it is produced using specific typewriters as well.
Visually challenged people develop their other senses more sharply to improve their interaction with their environment. Helen Keller, an American author and lecturer, she is most well known and inspiring visually challenged person. She wrote many books including The Story of My Life. Some visually challenged Indians have great achievements to their credit. Some of them are Ravindra Jain. He is known for his excellence as a lyricist, singer and music composer. Lal Advani. He was behind establishing the Association for Special Education and Rehabilitation of Disabled in India. A very talented, amazing performer, Divakar Sharma. Let us hear from him.
यही डूबे दिन मेरे यही होते हैं सवेरे यही मरना और जीना यही मंदिर और मदीना को भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां, गलियां तेरी गलियां, यूं ही तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां।
So, children, let us thank God for giving these beautiful organs to see the beauty of nature. Let us use our eyes to see the goodness in others, and let us do good to the society. Thank you. Stay safe.